In the fast-paced world we live in, finding effective solutions to simplify our daily chores is a game changer. The iRobot Roomba 675 robot vacuum stands out as a powerful and convenient cleaning companion that elevates the way we maintain our homes. Let's dive into the features and benefits that make this robotic vacuum a must-have, ensuring a cleaner and healthier living space. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Smart cleaning anytime, anywhere, the Roomba 675 takes cleaning to the next level with its Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with Alexa. Imagine the convenience of initiating a cleaning session with just a voice command or scheduling it remotely through the iRobot Home app. This feature not only saves time, but also ensures your home stays spotless even when you're away. Cutting-edge cleaning technology. Equipped with a patented 3-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface brushes, the Roomba 675 tackles everything from minute particles to larger debris. It's a versatile cleaner that effortlessly adapts to both carpets and hard floors, making it suitable for various surfaces in your home. The auto-adjust cleaning head ensures optimal performance, automatically adapting its height to effectively clean different floor types. Intelligent navigation for thorough cleaning. What sets the Roomba 675 apart is its adaptive navigation system. Advanced sensors guide the robot under and around furniture, ensuring every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned. The edge-sweeping brush takes care of corners and edges, leaving no space untouched. Thanks to Cliff Detect technology, you can trust that your Roomba won't take a tumble down the stairs. Seamless integration with your lifestyle. The newly updated iRobot Home app adds a new dimension to your cleaning experience. It learns from your cleaning habits, suggesting customized schedules. It even goes a step further by recommending extra cleanings during high pollen counts or pet shedding seasons, ensuring your home remains pristine despite external factors. Dirt Detect technology. Precision cleaning. The Roomba 675 isn't just a random cleaner, it's intelligent. Patented Dirt Detect technology helps the robot identify dirtier areas in your home, focusing on high traffic spots and cleaning them more thoroughly. This targeted approach ensures a deeper and more effective clean, leaving your floors looking brand new. Effortless maintenance. The Roomba 675 is not only efficient, but also self-sufficient. With a runtime of up to 90 minutes, it covers a substantial area before automatically docking and recharging. This ensures your Roomba is always ready to take on the next cleaning task with minimal intervention required on your part. Conclusion: elevate your cleaning game with Roomba 675. In a nutshell, the iRobot Roomba 675 robot vacuum redefines the cleaning experience. Its smart features, cutting-edge technology, and adaptability to your lifestyle make it a standout product in the robotic vacuum market. If you're ready to bid farewell to mundane cleaning tasks and embrace a smarter, more efficient solution, the Roomba 675 is your answer. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Elevate your cleaning routine and embrace a new era of convenience and cleanliness. Your home deserves the best, and the iRobot Roomba 675 delivers exactly that. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.